Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sin s squared plus cosine s squared equals to number 1. Because we have sin s squared, so I will put about cosine s squared go to the right. And we have 1 minus cosine s squared. So I will put this one going here. Next, we have the second formula in here. That is about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one, that is about identity. So we have 1 minus cosine s multiplied by 1 plus cosine s. Next, we simplify 1 minus cosine s on numerator and denominator. Next, I will put number 0 going here. And we have the final answer. And we have 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.